Oh, sweet. It's my Mantic clutch. Is it heavy? Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I need 2 hands. Let the attack begin.
Video is going to be about the clutch install of the Mantic USA clutch, triple disc clutch that I put in. The footage you see is all that I got because I was more focused on getting it in, and I'm working by myself and trying to get the angles and the camera angles and stuff like that. It would have been quite hard, and I just want to make sure I got it done and installed correctly, so I just got limited footage. But it's been in for a week now. I have about 200 miles on it. I got to break it in for 500 miles. I absolutely love this clutch, and it's not as stiff as my factory clutch because, you know, they did some work, and then the hydraulic release bearing and everything like that. So once I break it in, I'll give you another video of me really getting at it with the clutch install with this one. I really like it, as I said. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Go back and watch my previous videos. I got a lot of how-to videos, and hit the bell icon for future uploads, and help me get to 50K subscribers this year. And again, thanks for all the support. More vids coming out, more collabs coming out this the rest of this year. And now on to the install process. So I'm here underneath the car. I've already taken off the inside shift linkage, the mid pipes. You could always check out my previous video for when I did my mid pipe or when I changed to the Barton shifter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this transmission out. Doing everything. There's the factory clutch. And I'll show you the transmission. There's that bearing I gotta change out. Hydraulic release bearing. There's the back part. As I said, I've been doing it by myself for like 3-4 hours now. tool in there. So now what I'm going to do is pipe on the release bearing and remount the transmission. So here's the hydraulic release bearing. I have some Mopar that's what we call for our clutch. There's the new hydraulic release bearing in there. Good to go. Signed by Mantic clutches. There it is, the shaft. So I use this hose. I'm by myself, so it's kind of hard to do. And I connected to that. And what I did was I tried hydraulic release bearing with breaker, so I don't have to do it. The manual says like 200 pumps, so I'm not gonna have to do 200 pumps with this hose. That will cut air out. If anything, there's just a little bit of air bubble right there, but that'll be fine. So here's my book. Put my clips in here so I won't lose them where I got them out from. Some of that I greased the splines a little bit to help get it in there. This is it right here. Like I said, this little tube was $20. Yeah, so I'm about to put it in. Let's see. Console and stuff back in from the shifter and give it a start, see where it goes.